In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use conditional formatting in Smartsheet. By the end, you'll know how to highlight the right information automatically so your sheets are easier to scan and your team can spot what needs attention at a glance. Start by opening your browser and going to smartsheet.com. Sign in as you normally would. If you work with large sheets, a desktop browser is ideal because it gives you the most screen space and makes it easier to see formatting changes as they happen. Once you're in, head to your workspace. A workspace is simply the home for related sheets, reports, and dashboards. If you're part of multiple workspaces, choose the one that contains the project you want to format. Keeping your key workspace favorited can save clicks, especially if you access it every day. Now open your sheet. You'll be working in the grid view where your columns and rows live. Take a moment to scan your columns and think about which fields drive your decisions. Common candidates include status, priority, assigned to, and due date. Knowing what you want to draw attention to will make your rules cleaner and more effective. With your sheet open, look for conditional formatting in the toolbar or menu. Click it to open the conditional formatting panel. This is where you'll create and manage your rules. You'll see options to add rules and define the conditions that must be met before formatting is applied. Click Add New Rule. You'll build the rule in 3 parts. First, set the condition. Choose the column you care about, then pick a comparison. For example, you might set status equals blocked, or due date is in the past, or priority is high. Next, choose where to apply the rule. You can target specific columns or apply it to the entire row so the whole line lights up when the condition is met. Finally, pick the format. Select a fill color, text color, and any emphasis like bold or italics. Aim for clear, accessible colors with strong contrast so the text remains readable. When you're happy with the setup, confirm the rule to apply it. You'll see the formatting update immediately on matching rows. To validate the logic, temporarily change a value in a test row and watch the format appear or disappear. If something doesn't look right, reopen the rule to adjust the condition, the range, or the colors until it communicates exactly what you need. That's it. With a few targeted rules, your Smartsheet will surface priorities, risks, and deadlines automatically, helping you and your team move faster with fewer manual checks.